in last time. Red is half a point, but the villains is constructed honor to destroy the bird. And now, alright, guys, I have a teddy to starting, but I couldn't hit what we have. It's night right now. We have to something battle. Why is something battle? Because he's constructing something. He's constructing a plane for some reason. Wait, Bomber, you're right? Yes, this is serious. Okay, you know that's a killer. That's a dog. It's a dog. But it's sneaky. I really isn't. Let's go hunter trade. Let's go on the P. Let's go find them. I thought there is a plane. It's a big, but it's a real. Wait, a real plane is that where the feet? And Nigel. Yes, they're talking. What? I did so. Okay. Let's go what he prepared before he is a call. Right. Come on, Ross, we have no time. Oh, okay. Come on. Going. Okay, where's the toilet? Not a stupid hour. It's just hell. I could straw thing. Come on, Ollie. Okay, go on. We have a plan. I thought to start. Wait, I have a substitute here from it. Okay, not really. We have to do hurdles before he escapes. Not a better toss. Tetris. Feel says odd. Folks. What? Had to know this only here. On toss. Yeah, that's ours. Wait a minute, I see it right there. Oh no, he is about to escape. Quickly had to hide for escape. have to talk. How we got that? I have a plan. Start a super hiding plan. 2 minutes later. Come on, zombie. Working now. Okay, the mole is ready. 3 minutes is ready. Okay. Thank God. No, damn this. That is gonna be hard. What a weird plan now. Wait, the hatchlings are right there. But here. But where? Right there. Okay, you have to be careful to get it there. And then to do this as nothing. Almost I below. Please, guys, stop. What do we have to close the door? Come on, we have to get going. Wait. He's going on. Wait, please don't sound it. We're going. What's wrong with? I don't know. I can't be I just alone. But we can't do this. We're in here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this is my key. Okay, let me. I get your ass out of here. Alright. Oh. What? Seconds already. Because 1 minute is ready. I'm gonna have to do it stop. Right. Okay. Alright. What the? Is the rat? Let's get him! Go! Oh God! Oh shit! No, just hit him. We're gonna have to hatch. No! No, what? Oh, this is secondly again. I'm not sad, you idiot. You are the satellite. Strange. Why in the cat? The plane is ready. I forgot. Now we're gonna just put it in there. Oh no. The hatchlings are... Come on, get it, doctor. Zombie, that's true. My doctor here. Chef Pig. Kisses. Wait, how those minions are... Chef Pig. Oh no, those are powerful. Don't care other maggots. Go to this. Yes, sir. Oh, I now have a key. Link. Oh! Link. Here it is. I can't. Come on, cut to it. Oh. Now let's go in there, guys. The chip. I can't find those guys. Poop. I'll go on to the failures. Back to the unit. You're fire. I think it's not work. Get the stupid and the button way. He's going away. Shine. Oh yeah. Not so fast. Frank Pig. Yes. You detected. You forget something? No. We're just right here. What you gonna do? Okay, when you have those. He went to Switzerland now. Shy! Here defending says. Here we go, fighter. You're not killing right now. This is how you're alive. A zombie. Okay, you were hard to tell. Oh, you really? Oh, that. You remember me. You just salted me. It's you? Yes. Oh, he's... Oh, this getting his hurt. On the turn to it. I'm so glad to strike. I just kidding to not let your friend to be your friend, and now of yours so long. Excuse me, I'm going to go. No. Oh, look out! Bye. No. Guess we're lost right now. I think, yeah, we're lost because he's at the toilet. We're lost. And hey guys, my hot tub is ready. What? Check it out. And what is going to get is just 5 to here because I have a slingshot. What you choose a 5? I'm going Matilda. Going bomb. Going with the friend off. It's oink. Yoink, oink, oink. And the batter and me. There we go. Okay. Are you seriously you gonna tie it alone? You stay with the friends. But how you get that? Chuck, I need to go this to fight. Tetris. Take care of the others. And don't forget, the slingshot can't shoot wrong. I know it. Oh, I don't think he's gonna not know it. Cause this machine is made to fast, not fast. What? How he's not faster? Because I not have a faster. Oh. Now let's go there. Okay, it's thundering. How long? Oh, he's gone down. Oh, what? How? You just sit your home? I'm going. Come on, guys. Come on. I put to favorite. Wait a minute. These are orange fast. Oh shit. Oh no, come on. Okay, I think I have an idea. Try to catch. Oh, come on. It's time to get angry. Oh, what? What? Wait, what? Oh, I'm flying. Ha. Oh no. Go faster, he's coming. Oh no, he's good. Oh, he's got it. Let's go to go. Let's go to go. Let's put the slingshot. But where's the ball? Oh no. Wait a minute. There's something. Oh, we have some tech. Oh, man. I just have one. Wait a minute. Just one. Oh, no. Oh, he's getting in. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Alright, let's get this to home. Oh no. It's over, doctor. Are you sure about that? That's right. Scott pigs. Tech crisis. And now I get surgery. No! To make you a skeleton. No! Oh no. Wait. Parker, what are you doing? There's no way I have to kill an haunted plane to destroy the plane. But how are you gonna destroy it? Two pieces. You're the hard ones. You're the tiny piggies. I'm going to hit her things. No! Go quick! Oh no! Oh, bro, you okay? Oi! Oh no! Parker, you can't do this. I got the point. Oh, it's completely metal. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It turn on your. Come on. Alright. One more. 1, 2. What are you told? You're so terrible. Oh, we have here the toll. And certainly my ultimate power. Look at I have a heart, but with eyes. Oh, I think it's time to destroy. You're not gonna destroy that plane. We mean not this. You just sit here how it is. He would know horses to wheel on. Yes, I. Up we go. Parker! Let's watch Reds against Cedric. No! Oh no, he's got lost. This game is level failure for all of you. No, just for me. What? Parker! Oh, bad. That was good. Will never be good. That's not bad. It's no one's feeling. The me. No. Oh, what's happening? No. Kevin, you're alright. Sorry, I didn't love you. Parker. Parker, you have to wake up. When they save the others. No, don't. Link. Up! Wait a minute. Where is Parker? Is that? Oh no. My packet. It's sacrifice. It sacrifices to save my life. You pay for this. Now let's go on where plan. Where plan is what? In December. I can't believe I will be defeated by Angry Birds. I gotta find another way. I revenge on the two others. This is December. Skeletons. My army is gone. To final honoree. Naturals. Hey, did you like to be my team? Huh. When I gave you this sentence, Alphabet War will return in 2023 to be continued.